Alright, Dania, please confirm. Can you see the page? Yeah, can you see the screen? Let me know when you can see the page.
I
Alright, okay. So now we are on the new chapter which is all about Mu'jizat of Prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam. Okay? Mu'jizat. Mu'jiza means the miracle. Okay? So the miracles of Prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam. Okay? So question number one. What is the Mu'jiza? What does miracle means? So the answer is a supernatural act performed by a prophet after he has made the declaration of his prophethood is called Mu'jiza. So Mu'jiza means the thing that uh, humans just can think but they can't do. For example, if you are sitting on a chair and you want something and you're thinking about something in your mind and you want that the glass of water just came in your hand. It will not happen. You have to stand up, you have to go to the glass, you have to bring the water in it, and then you will have a glass of water in your hand, right? But when you think, you will not get it. Is it? Is it? I am true, right? You have to stand up, you have to go to the glass, you have to pick up the glass, you have to put water in it, and then you have to drink. But it doesn't mean that when you think about it and then you will get it. Okay? So if there is something that is not common and it has been done, it's called mu'jiza. So a supernatural act performed by a prophet, but it should be performed by a prophet. Okay? Note now, if for example, if uh, a magician said that, look, I am doing this right now. Magicians do some kind of things that we can't understand, right? But they are not prophet. Na'udhu billah. So we will say mu'jiza, the miracle word, only when it has been done by a prophet. And our last prophet is Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. So mu'jiza can only be done by the prophets, not any human. So we will use the word mu'jiza only when it has been done by a prophet. So a supernatural act performed by a prophet after he has made the declaration of his prophethood is called mu'jiza. Okay, or miracle. So next there are some mu'jizat of all the prophets alayhimus salatu wassalam. We're gonna learn them inshallah in the next classes. So for right now you just have to practice the definition of mu'jiza, the definition of miracle. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next class. If you have any question, you can ask me. Do you have any question, Dania?
no.
All right then. See you inshallah in the next class. Have a good day. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah